Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your FANUC 20T to your personal computer so you can transfer some files. Alright, so this works for most old FANUCs, but this is more specific to the 20T. I think the 16 is pretty much the same. So manual says to turn the machine on first and then turn your computer. Same thing, when turning it off, it wants you to first disconnect and turn the computer off first, and then you turn your machine, right? So here we go. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about the program. So software I'm using today is called the KDM NCnet Lite. This is just 7.0 version. And one of the first things you want to check, I already set it up, but I'm going to just show you overall. You can start add, and then you put your name of the machine, and I put machine name Victor FANUC, machine ID number 1. That's not very important, but then coming down here, communication channel serial port, and then where you want the files to transfer to and from, port number, baud rate, which has to match your settings in your FANUC, 9600, parity even, data bits 7, stop bits 2, and handshake software. Okay, if you've done all that, click OK, and OK again. And if everything is working well, you should just press the thumbs up, the green thumbs up, and that should work. So to send a file, you just click here, and then I'm going to choose a file 0010. Now this file has to match the number inside, right? So if you open this file, you would have to say 00010 because FANUC is very specific. All right, so it's starting the transmission process, and here you come and you just press read, and some machines, they will start flashing here saying is reading or punching, but it didn't do today. I don't know why. All right, so here is the file. So let's go, and next you want to open the file to make sure that everything transfer okay. And in my case, it looks like the file. Sometimes the oh, see, I think I have. Nope, this is good. It transferred well today. But you definitely want to keep an eye to make sure it transferred well. If it didn't transfer, then you have to look up settings, maybe slow down the connection and everything. Next, I'm going to cover the settings on the machine. Okay, so setting up the machine. Make sure if you are somewhere else, you are in MDI mode. If you need to write the stuff, just come over here and select this to 1, right? So you enable parameter write. Mine's already set up. I'm just going to go over that stuff. Then you press system to come to the parameter setting. First item you have to be is ISO. This has to be 1 right here. So ISO 1 is the first step. Then parameter 20. Next one, we're going to go to 20. IO channel 0. Then, and by the way, I'm going to show you in the book as well. So parameter 20 has to be in 0. And then parameter 101, let's take a look here. So I'll go 101, search. So this is how I have mine set up. So basically, once is going to be bit 0, bit 3, and bit 7. That's what I have for mine. So here saying 7 doesn't really matter, but ASI has to be 0 there on 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Actually, mine is 1 right now. Because I'm using this one. ASCII. and then a 0 minus bit 2, which matches my computer, right? Then come on over here to bit 2. I believe on 102 minus 0. 0 is RS-232, which is that cable. And then baud rate is how fast it communicates. Mine I put 9600, but at 9600s I have had a few errors. So you might downgrade to the suggested of 10, which is 48 bits, I think, per second or per minute. And this parameter 103. So you see how parameter 103 I put 11, but the manufacturer recommends 10. So if you have any errors, go ahead and downgrade. And then let me see if there's anything else. Output CNC. And this is just an overall look on what you need to do. Hopefully, if you're troubleshooting, you can just look over here and pause as you need. And then this is showing input and output. Hopefully you can get this to work. Sometimes it's sometimes it locks for no good reason, so you just have to keep troubleshooting. Old technology, but hey, it works. And guess what? Machine is a lot cheaper nowadays than, you know, back then. This is generally just telling you how to basically do everything, and then this is interface. So I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, just drop a comment below and we'll go from there. Thanks.